Hi guys, and today I'm gonna play some more Demolition Derby 3 tournament mode. I'm gonna do next set of levels, which are both Demolition Derby levels. So that's gonna be exciting. And we literally have the same cars as last time. Why can't we get different cars or more variety? I have no clue. Probably I'm just gonna pick the Devil Sports, and it's basically the best car in here. Ooh! Oh, stupid lag. Oh, someone's already been destroyed. Ooh, that was a hard hit. Oh boy. Oh, Kyle's been destroyed. Ooh, got him. Uh, dang it. Yeah, get over here. Oh, that car protected me. Oh, that one didn't. That was a hard hit. Oh, like not even a touch and he's dead. Oh, I got bird. I think this is the first time I ever lost in Demolition Derby match. Yeah, I think the first time I ever lost in the tournament mode on Demolition Derby. Oh well, I mean, we got third. We got third place. That's pretty good. Well, I think I'm probably gonna go with this one since this one's like the most durability out of all of them. Eh, for real. Have it someone here. Oh my lord! They really suck at hitting cars at battle. You're like, dang. Ooh, that was not good. Oh crap. Oh yeah, that was a hard rear end hit. Ooh, got him. He just ran right into me and he still got killed. I think I might win this one, but I'm not sure yet. Oh god. Oh no. I'm just going backwards. Backwards Demolition Derby. I mean, we're all pretty close to death, actually. Whoa. I think she missed me. Nope. It's like car jousting. Like, literally. That's literally what this is, car jousting. BAM! Man, what a way to end up the last level. The last Demolition Derby level. Into the tournament mode. Well, for now, there's probably be more tournaments as the game updates. So it's really all I have to say for this vid. And the next part is going to be the kind of last part. There's going to be more. If anything, there's probably more updates and more tournaments. That's the tournament mode. So yeah, the last part may not be like the finale. Just letting you know. So, bye.